Hello there, Jeep fans. As everyone knows, the 2018 Jeep JL has a revised 3.6-liter Pentastar and a fully revised suspension and pretty much everything else in the Jeep. The number 3 selection gives you the option for off-road pitch and roll. The left is your front and back pitch and roll, and the right screen is your left to right pitch and roll. The number 3 selection gives 2 screens. If you press left or right, it will go from pitch and roll to this drivetrain screen. The drivetrain screen shows locks on all 3 differentials, but our Jeep Sport Unlimited JL 2018 does not have locking differentials. We spoke with our local Jeep dealer. There are complaints about this problem already on non-Rubicon, non-locking differential JLs. We did get confirmation that even if this screen is present, you are still in too high. There is no electronical change that changes the transfer case to 4 low or 4 high. So if you're in too high and you're still seeing the locks, it's totally normal, but they are going to fix it. They're probably going to do another flash revision like they did for the cruise control. So don't be alarmed if you see those 3 locks or even 2 or 1 lock sometimes. It's not disrupting any of the other features, so I believe it's nothing to worry about. All right, everyone, in Jeep land, we'll see you soon.